The ZRP is investigating a case of murder which occurred in Madungwe village, Chivion term September, where Lori Tafairai, 25 years, stabbed his wife's boyfriend 36 years after seeing a love message on his spouse's cell phone. The suspect chatted using the wife's cell phone, inviting the unwary victim to a secluded place near a borehole and stabbed him on the back and chest. Meanwhile, police have launched a manhunt for the suspect who disappeared after committing the offense. On 13th of September, 2 people lost cash and property valued at 14,300 South African Rand and US 140 after boarding an unmarked Toyota Wish vehicle in B/Bridge destined for Bulawayo. The suspects parked the vehicle in the bush before they produced knives, tied the victims with shoelaces, and stole their belongings. Investigations are underway. The police is investigating a case of robbery where a complainant, 45 years, who was driving a company Toyota Dyna truck ACR 1948 was hijacked by 3 unknown men armed with knives and an axe on October 13, 2021. The driver had stopped at a robot-controlled intersection at Connor Masia Fembili Drive and Hyde Park, Bulawayo at about 2,315 hours. The suspects forced the victim to turn left along Masia Fembili Drive and later stole the vehicle. The police is investigating 2 armed robbery cases which occurred at Jarera Gruth Point, Masvingo on 15th of September at about 0159 hours, where 4 unknown suspects armed with an unidentified pistol, pick, wooden broom and a log stormed a home and demanded cash. A shootout ensued before the suspects scaled over the precast wall, and 1 suspect who was carrying the loot in a satchel bag was shot on the armpit and died while others escaped. Police recovered all the stolen property except the 2 inverters. The police confirms the arrest of Tikiona Bunzanyika, 32 years, Peter Zimhamba, 35 years, Terasai Kaboza, 22 years, and Justina Chinyuka, 33 years on 13th of September for cultivating 284 plants of daga at Cape Hondoro village, Utoko. The cannabis plants were of different sizes from 1 meter to 1,5 meters in height. Meanwhile, police urges members of the public to report all cases of drug peddling at any nearest police station. The police confirms the arrest of Michael Freeman Chingwaru, 39 years, a maths teacher at Harare Einstein Tuition Center, for assaulting a student, 18, at the same institution on 14th of September at 1,030 hours. The lower 6th student was found in the ordinary level class seeing some movies during lesson time and ordered to go to his class. Instead, he went to a biology classroom and coincidentally met the same teacher, where a harsh exchange of words occurred, resulting in the teacher assaulting the complainant. School authorities are urged to ensure that peace prevails in learning institutions at all times. The ZRP confirms the arrest of Pamelelo Moyo, 44, Bongani Akim Zwelabanzigazi and Bonizi and Lovu for possession of specially protected animal trophy on 12th of September. They were given US $1,000, 400 South African Rand, 4 cell phones and 2 inverters. The complainant made a quick report to police, and as the scene was being attended, another report was received. Police swiftly attended the scene and met the quartet at the doorstep. The suspects were found with a rhinoceros horn measuring 20 centimeters and weighing about 6.5 kilograms, valued at $120,000 in Southworld, Bulawayo. Police in Sarue recovered a stolen Toyota Camry vehicle at the 82 km peg along Harare-Bulawayo Road. The vehicle was found parked along the highway, and upon searching the vehicle, police found some documents which led them to the complainant in Kwekwe. Investigations are underway.